Hello and welcome to a tutorial video by me, Thomas. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to access my app store and how to access some awesome apps for your device. Alrighty, go up to the top of the screen and go to apps and go down and search for applications. You can talk to the remote or you can type it in. I'm going to say downloader. Alrighty, once you see downloader or type in downloader, it'll come up and say downloader by AFTV News. Click install. For this purpose of this video, I uninstalled it so you can see the process of it being installed. So give it a moment and it should install. Quick and easy. Here we go, it's installed. Open. And it'll come up, do you want to access your device? You say yes because it's going to add into the device. Correct. Gives you a wee quick start guide. It's 100% free, blah blah blah, and it's pretty cool. You go okay. And in the box there, we're going to type in a URL, which we're going to type in. So let me just put it in. The special code to enter into is 84602. Okay. Once it's done, click enter. And it'll say connecting. It's loading up the browser and redirecting you to the link that I provided. Alrighty, once it comes up, it will say, do you want to install? At this time, it is saying to me, for security, your TV does not allow to install unknown apps from the source. That's totally normal because your device is trying to say it had not been allowed for it to install. Go settings, that's okay, and then you go and click on download it and you click allow. And with the other applications you install later on, you do that as well. Okay, and then it will say install, and that will install files synced onto your device. Okay, so we go install and install. Once it's done, you can go delete. For the purpose of this video, I've already got installed, so I'll just go and delete it. But there you go. And then you click on home on your remote control again, and we're going to go and find that application that we just installed. So we installed downloader to get file synced. So we're going to open up our file synced here. It's called file synced. Okay, and then it loaded up. Welcome. Alrighty, you can pause this video, but the code for my store is 987-667-63. It's 987-667-63. Okay, and once you got that, you got enter code. And it should just load up. Alrighty, you're on here, and if you got in correctly, you look like this. In the top right hand corner, it will say TDBNZ, which is my username, and again the code 987-667-63. Alrighty, you got different live TV streaming apps, which is pretty cool. VPN, app stores, USA app launchers, and many things here. I categorize them in sections. But what you wanted to do is look at the NZ apps, and we click on that. So click that enter on our keyboard. And you do all these apps. Most of these apps you don't actually need. You can install them directly on TV from the App Store like I did for these apps. But what the one we really want is to install Freeview Streaming TV. Now this app will allow you to access Freeview Streaming on your device. So how do you access it? You just click on it and it will say download, and you click on it and it will say added to download, and it will add a wee green tick. Once it's done, click the back button. Maybe find some other apps you may be interested in, like live TV and movies and TV shows folder. We've got different ones that find ad free, UK, some movie ones you might want to try and install, whatever one you're more than welcome to try. So we go back, and then once you're on the main screen, you go down, it will say downloads. So downloads in the left hand corner there, like that, and it will be here. It says Freeview Streaming TV. So what I did was I clicked on the download button, it downloaded, and then it says completed, and then you go to download again. It will say stage net, and it will say install. I already got installed, but I was looking at update, install, and it will install Freeview Streaming TV. Woohoo! This app is fantastic, really cool. So it's just updating now, and it'll say apps installed, yay. And what I like to do is I like to go back to it, whoops, and I like to go delete, and delete any ones on there so it's not on the device, which is pretty cool. So that's done. So click on home, and let's find Freeview Streaming TV, and let's try it out. I just muted the TV for copyright reasons, but it may ask you to log in. Do so when you're in there. It works up and down. Pretty cool, works good. And it's been updated. Well, it's just installed. It's pretty cool. When you go left over, you got on demand. It's just normally on demand. And then you got back. Got TV guide, and it gives you a TV guide of the Freeview channels, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Please note this is streaming on the internet, so an internet connection is required to stream these TV channels, but everything is like that, and it's pretty cool. So that's how you install this really cool program, Freeview TV. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, and you go back and you exit out, and it's pretty cool. Another hidden trick you can do on here, which I love to do, is you long hold on any item. You long hold it on the middle button, and it will say move. It will say move. You can click move, and you can rearrange it to wherever you want it to be. So at the front, or I want it to be what's in there. You can do that. You can arrange other apps around, which is pretty cool. So yeah, it seems to be working very well, which is pretty cool. So that's how you install that. And anytime I say to you, go to my app store, I updated the app or put an app on there, you go to file synced, put in my code, it should be there by default, and you go enter code, and it'll open up, and I might say, hey, go down to wherever, and I might say, hey, go to such and such, and then you get this one, which is pretty cool. So that's how you install the Freeview. It's got to enter apps and then install it on here. So there you go. So thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy.